welcome back. It is day 71 of 365 days of a Fojo with LayZ Photographer. And we are back, day 71. I can repeat myself, I guess. So this is a photo I snagged at a little temple down the way in my local neighborhoods. 10 blocks or so away from the stew. So, yeah, we got this one. We got one of Buddha. I think that's the one we're gonna go with right here. All right. Down a bit, down a bit, that up a bit, and stretched out a lot, the vibrance down quite a bit. Alright, add these in individually. And so, a little bit of color grade. Just gonna go with the good old orange and teal. Can almost never go wrong with the orange and teal. Boost. Nice. Alright, texture. Take out some of the clarity. Net. Detail. Luminance. Alright, now we're gonna get into dye masking. First, did pretty good. So just a bit. Slam that contrast. Those highlights down. Shadows up. Line up. Shadow back in. Desatch a bit. Texture. Clarity on that. And then we're going to duplicate, invert said mask, and take the clarity down, bunch of texture down there. And boost that color to kind of helps us pop our image up. And I'm trying to get rid of too much of it drawing the eye. increase detail back in. Okay. All right. There's our photo. Day 71. Hope y'all enjoyed. And we will see you for the next. Like, subscribe, and share if you would ever be so kind. Go subscribe to Squeaky Door Productions, Squeaky with 2 E's, and go check out our website, Squeaky Door Productions, Squeaky with 2 E's.com. Appreciate you. Love y'all. See you in the next. Bye-bye.